Hello, thank you for stopping by. This is Timebox Pro. We want to make your learning simple but focused and time boxed. Before we get started, if you are new to Microsoft Excel, you can get the trial version from the link in the description below. In this video, you will see the easiest way to learn the shortcut keys that are mostly used in Microsoft Excel. This is not for expert level, which includes macros. I will cover it in a different tutorial. It's gonna be very quick and easy. Let's go ahead and see how to do this. Open Excel and go to File menu. Click on New. Search for Shortcuts in the Online Templates field. It shows the 50 time saving Excel shortcut template from Microsoft. Click on it and say Create. That downloads the template. Now you can see the shortcuts are grouped by different functions. Until you get used to these shortcuts, you probably need to have it handy so that you can see them while you're working. Good thing is, this file is optimized for printing in different paper sizes. I'm just showing standard sizes like US letter, legal, and A4, most commonly used. But it pretty much supports any size. Or you can save it as a PDF if you have more display monitors, and you can throw it on one screen and work on the other screen. It's that simple. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys later. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe us and enable notification for more interesting videos. Bye now.